Let me ask you a question. What do you think the price of bone is going to be by January of 2022? I did a poll question about a week ago or so. Over 3,000 people voted, so thank you for voting if you voted. But look at this. 46% believe it will be $1.70. Now, the price could drop down based off people selling off. People are going to be earning rewards, getting their bone percentages, getting their bones in January, because you're going to get more bone, or you can actually request to claim more bones. But let me give you something that you may not have think about when it comes to bone. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm telling you, I know bone is probably scaring the heck out of you right now. It's $1.24. You might have got it in when it was $5, $10, $20. You may even got it in when it was $70 or $4 or whatever, and you're seeing it go down. I get it. I get it. Before I move further and to give you why I think bone is still good to have, don't forget to get on Webull. Webull and Shiba is a combination, and it's coming. Shiba is actually in beta testing right now on Webull, so don't forget to click on the link below, sign up for your Webull account, for you to be prepared to get Shib on Webull. And also, if you deposit $5 or more, you'll get the opportunity to get 2 stocks valued up to $2,000 or more. So check that out. Now, here's the thing what I'm telling you about. Bone. And we see it on here. People think it's going to be $1.70. Then some people think it's going to be $10. And then not very many people are going to think it's going to be $50, $100. But this right here got my attention. And I think this is where it's headed, in my opinion. I think with the Shibarium is Shiba's own blockchain. And what it says here, it should be noted that Ryoshi saw bone as the native token to Shibarium. Just like BRB or Matic for their respective blockchain, this of course gives additional utility to bone once this portion of the ecosystem go live. Now, they said that they want to have this done by this year. It's no easy task to create your own working blockchain. They're trying to create their own blockchain, Shiba's own blockchain. And it just says so right here. But we believe we will complete this task this year. And it fits in with other interlocking components of the ecosystem, like bone. Again, this will be fully decentralized, and the blockchain will be, as everything we do, community driven. So listen, I understand bone is down right now. Do you think what the price you think bone's gonna be? I did a poll question there. I'm thinking bone. To me, by January 22, I think we can see $50 again. I think we can. I think we can because they're working on the Shibarium, and if this game gets launched this year, it's gonna really explode in price. And so if I go here, and this is where my bone is right now, I got 5,026. If I go to $1.70, my value is $8,544. But check this out. If it goes to all-time highs to $70 or even $50, just check this out. My portfolio becomes this, $251,000. I'm just saying, I do think we can hit close to that, not necessarily guaranteeing anything, not necessarily giving any advice or anything. I'm just believing that this Shibarium has a lot to do with bone, and they're really focused on getting this done. And in my opinion, you're going to see utility getting driven into this, additional utility to bone once this portion of the ecosystem goes live. So don't sleep on bone. I know it's low. It's not the most popular thing right now because it's dropping in price, but the people who load on bone, I think you're going to see a price rise. Now, you could see a sell-off in December, and you can see the price rising back up in January, February, March, but I think we can hit close to $50, possibly, maybe even, I think between 20 and 50. That's my opinion, between 20 and 50, somewhere around there. And so I'm excited about that, and I know that your price in there, oh my God, it's dropping. But, man, if I even put $20 in there, $100,000, and I'll be looking for getting that. So don't sleep on bone, mainly because of the Shibarium. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I like Bone, and trust me, Bone could even drop down to under $1. And if it does there, I'm definitely going to be buying. I could tell you that right now. That thing gets under $1, I'm definitely going to be buying. So I'm kind of waiting for my positions to add more Bone. And also, I'm excited to get Shiba on Webull. I think it's just another way of helping out the Shiba ecosystem. You're getting more users just buying Shiba. You get more users to talk about Shiba. And you get more users to buy, sell, swap Shiba as well. I'll see you on the next video. Don't sleep on Bone, don't sleep on Shiba, and don't sleep on Leash. I'll see you next time. I can't wait to see you again.